Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do like, share, and comment on the message. Let me know where you are watching from. That means a whole lot to me. The title for this one is Who the Runner? Who the Runner? That is the title for it. Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song produced from this studio. And they are all available in all music app stores that you can locate them by searching for DJ Jerryman as the artist. God bless you. Who the Runner?
Ask your neighbor who they runner. Pity and time. Who they runner? Now Holy Ghost. Who they runner for my life? Now Holy Ghost. Now I'm body. Anywhere spirit enter, control change and back up. Now Holy Ghost. For the
Brother Solo, you are welcome on board.
If enemies misbehave, spirit will give them defense. No correction, spirit will teach them lesson. Let them remember your name with caution. Give them one while for night, spirit wash them dead. When Holy Ghost play your story, victory not a delay. Some people they fight with muscles, spirit they fight with law. When Holy Ghost sign your man, they right for the law. Funny line, enemy do my downfall, spirit cancel fight. Every day what of problem that my blessing don't take off inside. Now Holy Ghost, body, who they runner? Now Holy Ghost.
Welcome on board. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do me a favor, like, share, comment as you join. And if you have not joined, what are you waiting for? Kindly join this community because we usually have amazing moments like this once in a while. Please kindly do so. Join the account, follow my account as well, and give me a like, share. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you. The title for this one is Evidence, No Dey Lie. Evidence, No Dey Lie. Welcome on board. The best is yet to come. Remain connected.
DJ Jerryman, raise this sound. If God don't work your matter, make your testimony loud. No argument, no reply. Evidence, no delay.